Hi everyone, there's Yalda. We're going to talk about Kybella, deoxycholic acid. Beautiful FDA injection that we use for our submental or double chin. Usually patients who are a right candidate for this treatment, I highly suggest this. If you have a little pooch, you want to get rid of it, this is going to be a beautiful treatment for you. However, if you think your skin quality is really poor and you have a lot of fat pad that you really need to see a surgeon for a facelift or neck lift, I think that's a good thing to do to get a second opinion for sure. However, before coming to your treatments, make sure you don't have any makeup. We don't want to introduce any bacteria to your skin. So makeup, it's a no. Any alcohol, any caffeine, any spinach, kale, anything that can thin your blood, please make sure to avoid it. If you follow all these little tricks, you're going to have like a much easier recovery. With this treatment, you're going to have inflammation, but that's a really good thing. The goal is, if this is your fat pad and this is Kybella, and if your fat pads are like a butter and your Kybella is like a hot water, and you put hot water on a butter, what's gonna happen? Gonna melt it down. All right, and then what's gonna happen? You're gonna have a lot of inflammation because that solid's gonna turn to a liquid and it's gonna expand the tissue, and your lymphatic drainage that works like a pipe, like a sink, is gonna get rid of all that fluid. But you have to give your body some time to go through the process, so being patient is the key. Guys, if you have a little numbness, it's normal. Lumps, bumps, inflammation, all of that are expected, because what are we trying to do? We're trying to break down the fat pads. Usually this treatment, you may need 2 or 3 sessions. However, it also depends on how much fat we're talking about. I have had patients that after the first session, they were so pleased, so we didn't have to repeat the second session. So keep in mind, everyone's really different and everybody's body acts different. So keep it clean, no makeup, nothing to thin the blood. You're coming to the clinic, we're gonna inject you. I promise you, it's gonna be easy cheesy. Everybody really stressed too much over Kybella, but it's not what you're thinking. We're gonna make it so easy for you guys. My thought process is ice. I always says no ice. In my humble opinion, ice is going to slow down everything. So you don't want to slow down the healing process. Let the inflammation kick in. Let it be. No icing whatsoever, in my opinion. I'm sure other people have different point of view, but that's just my perspective. So after this treatment, probably no exercising for the first 1 or 2 days, and you want to basically take it easy because you're going to be a little bit sore. Keep in mind, this medication, it's a fluid. It's a 2 ml fluid, and some people may need 2 or some people may need 3 vials. It really depends on the area and how much fat we're talking about. But just be mindful that avoid anything that it's going to put so much pressure on the area. If you're in pain, you can take Tylenol. Please don't take Advil because that thins your blood. And as far as the post-op care, you just have to be patient. Keep in mind, there's a time, there's a recovery, and this treatment really works. Keep in mind, it is FDA approved. I have been doing this treatment for quite a long time. It's been almost 4 or 5 years. I had this treatment done myself and I have seen an amazing result. Keep in mind, this treatment is not for everyone. You just have to be a right candidate for this treatment. So be mindful before coming for your treatments. No makeup, no alcohol, no coffee, and then afterwards, just no ice. Stick with the Tylenol if you're in pain. If you have any question, please feel free to call our clinic. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to having you for our next video. Thank you.